Welcome to Cookin with Hilda. Today we have here one of my daughters, Sarah.
Hi.
And Sunshine.
Sunshine.
And she's gonna help me to make a Guatemalan churrasco. Churrasco is a traditional Guatemalan dish that is delicious and involves steak, rice, guacamole, onions or beans, some salad if you like, and homemade tortillas. My daughter loves to cook, isn't it true, Sarah?
Yeah.
Why do you like to cook?
Because it's fun and exciting.
Oh yeah, she's just like mommy. She likes to cook and she is awesome at it. So I'm a pro mama. This is gonna be in YouTube, you know? Vamos a empezar sazonando nuestro steak con sal, pimienta y un poquito de aceite de oliva. Así sencillito, pero delicioso. Empecemos pues. Lo sazonamos, le ponemos aceite de oliva y luego le ponemos sal y pimienta. Yo le voy a poner pimienta. Y Sara, ¿tú qué vas a hacer?
Yo voy a poner sal en la ribeye.
Y lo dejamos reposar por un par de minutos, unos 20 minutos, mientras preparamos un arrocito, un guacamole, sazonamos nuestras cebollitas para que cuando se hacen queden bien deliciosas, crujientes y con un sabor especial. Así que, y también un guacamole. Ya dije guacamole, ¿verdad? They come visit me every year. Oh, it's cold. And to start making a churrasco, you will need, of course, a steak. Your choice of steak and even the choice of doneness that you prefer in your steak. So this is very, very personal.
Hi guys, right now we're gonna cook the meat and the vegetables.
So I'm her helper here. she's gonna do it. She's gonna grab the steak. This is a ribeye. I like it. Yeah, just with salt and pepper. I like to add a little bit of lemon drops to the onions and jalapeno. If you don't like jalapeno, just don't use them. When your daughter cooks, you just have fun.
Put the meat in. The sun.
The sun, okay, I covered the sun. Okay.
We just put the meat in the fire and the vegetables, and now we're waiting.
Yeah, we're waiting. To do the plating, we just set like these plantain leaves on top. And that's a traditional Guatemalan churrasco. Who wants to join me?
Thank you guys for being here and watching me and my mom cook churrasco. And if you want more videos with us together, hit the thumbs up and subscribe.
She's a YouTuber. See you guys next time.